Hi, and welcome to another OT in Action. My name is Annette, and this is
Real nice.
And this is a channel where we take you through our occupational therapy at-home sessions. Today we are going to do what we call Telestrations.
Yeah, it's a game I can buy.
Yeah, it's basically just drawing and guessing, like Pictionary, on a whiteboard. This helps Leonidas when he writes up on a wall or a high surface. It helps his arm strength, and Leonidas is also working on just writing in general, and this is a fun way for him to practice writing or drawing. So what he has, you want to say what you have to do?
Yeah, so we have cards that will have stuff that I will write a picture of and Mom will guess it.
So let's give an example. On the card, there's nachos. So he would have to draw nachos, and I have to guess what he's drawing. Washington Monument.
No. What?
I don't know. Forest.
Close.
A rainforest.
You get?
I don't know what it is. These are trees. I thought it was like a spaceship or a rocket.
That's the Lost Woods.
Yeah.
Oh!
And that is
Oh, I don't know. I'm lost.
clearly a sword. But it's not just any sword, it's the...
Master Sword.
There you go.
Well, it's just sword, but I decided to make it the Master Sword.
Okay.
Clearly a sword.
Yeah, and that's a Triforce.
Got it. I had no clue. But now I see a sword. Yep.
Yeah.
Good drawing.
Okay, that was Telestrations. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll catch you in the next activity.
Bye.
Bye.